Delve into the physics and biology behind shaving, exploring how razor blades interact with skin and hair, and the secrets to a smooth, comfortable shave. Razor blades cut hair at a 20-degree angle, which is crucial for a smooth shave. The average person has around 5 million hair follicles, with 1/3 of them on the face. Hair grows at a rate of 0.3 to 0.4 millimeters per day, or 1/2 inch per month. The skin's natural moisture barrier is disrupted when shaving, leading to dryness and irritation. Exfoliating before shaving can reduce ingrown hairs by up to 60% by removing dead skin cells. A sharp razor blade can reduce friction by up to 50%, making for a more comfortable shave. The chemistry and physics behind the perfect shave. We'll delve into the materials, coatings, and sharpening techniques that make modern razor blades so effective. Razor blades are typically made from stainless steel, a corrosion-resistant alloy of iron, carbon, and chromium. The coating on modern razor blades is often a thin layer of titanium nitride, which reduces friction and wear. The sharpening process involves grinding the blade to a precise angle, usually between 20 and 30 degrees. A single razor blade can be sharpened up to 10 times before it needs to be replaced, depending on usage. The average razor blade is only 0.05 millimeters thick, making it thinner than a human hair. The perfect shave is achieved when the blade glides at a 2-3-degree angle, cutting hair at the optimal point. From eating too close to bedtime to drinking ice-cold water for weight loss, we're debunking the top 5 most common calorie myths that might be hindering your weight loss journey. Eating too close to bedtime does not affect weight loss, as digestion slows down by 50% at night. Drinking ice-cold water for weight loss is a myth, as the calorie burn is negligible, only 1 to 2 calories per cup. The human body can't tell the difference between calories from sugar or fat, despite popular beliefs. Low-fat diets can actually lead to weight gain, as they're often high in sugar and refined carbs. The concept of negative calorie foods is a myth, as the body still expends energy to digest them. Crash diets can slow down metabolism by up to 40%, making it harder to lose weight in the long run. Is it possible to burn fat while you sleep? Your body burns fat at night, using stored energy for repair and recovery processes. During deep sleep, growth hormone release helps break down fat cells for energy use. Sleep deprivation can reduce fat loss by 20–30%, hindering weight loss efforts. A cooler bedroom temperature, around 60–67 degrees Fahrenheit, can boost overnight fat burning naturally. Eating a balanced dinner before bed can support overnight fat loss and muscle growth. Consistent 7 to 9 hours of sleep per night can maximize overnight fat loss and overall health. Discover the leadership and bravery of Captain Richard Winters, the commander of Easy Company, 101st Airborne, during D-Day and beyond. Captain Richard Winters was a Pennsylvania native and West Point graduate. Winters jumped into Normandy on D-Day, leading Easy Company's 1st platoon. He led the assault on Brecourt Manor, disabling 4 German artillery pieces. Winters took command of Easy Company after Lieutenant Meehan's death in Normandy. Under Winters' leadership, Easy Company captured key German positions in Carrington. Winters received the Distinguished Service Cross for his heroism in the war. Investigate the bizarre giant crater in Siberia, a natural wonder often linked to hollow Earth theories, and learn about the scientists studying its unique ecosystem. In 2014, a massive crater mysteriously appeared in Siberia's Yamal Peninsula, sparking global intrigue. The crater, nicknamed the Gateway to the Underworld, measures over 100 feet deep and 65 feet wide. Scientists believe the crater formed when methane and other gases built up and explosively released from the permafrost. The crater's unique ecosystem supports a diverse range of flora and fauna, including species found nowhere else on Earth. Researchers have discovered ancient plant and animal remains, including 45-million-year-old trees, in the crater's depths. Visit the world's most contaminated sites, including the Chernobyl reactor, the Hanford Nuclear Reservation, and the Polygon Nuclear Test Site, and discover the shocking levels of radiation still present today. The Chernobyl reactor's 1986 explosion released 50 tons of radioactive material into the atmosphere. The Hanford Nuclear Reservation in Washington State is the largest nuclear waste dump in the U.S. The Polygon Nuclear Test Site in Kazakhstan has radiation levels 100 times higher than Chernobyl's. The Fukushima Daiichi nuclear disaster in 2011 released radioactive cesium into the ocean at a rate 10 times higher than Chernobyl. The Mayak nuclear fuel reprocessing plant in Russia has been leaking radioactive waste since the 1950s. Prepare to be amazed by the world's most bizarre scientific phenomena. Ball lightning is a rare and poorly understood phenomenon that appears as glowing floating balls of light. The Taos hum is a mysterious, low-frequency humming noise reported by residents and visitors in Taos, New Mexico. The Voynich manuscript is an undeciphered handwritten book with strange illustrations and an unknown author or purpose. The bloop was a massive, ultra-low frequency sound detected in 1997, but its origin remains unknown to this day. Moraine Lake's supervoid is a mysterious empty space in the lake's ice, with unknown causes and effects. The dancing plank of Gilroy is a phenomenon where a wooden plank seemingly defies gravity and moves on its own. Explore how mining accidents have been depicted in movies and TV shows, like the 2015 film The 33, based on the Copiapo mining accident. Mining accidents have been depicted in pop culture for over a century, dating back to 1915's The Miner's Daughter. The 1951 film The Brave Bulls was inspired by a real-life mining disaster in Coeur d'Alene, Idaho. The 2015 film The 33 tells the true story of the 2010 Copiapo mining accident in Chile, where 33 miners were trapped. The 2014 TV series Rescue 3 dramatized real-life mining rescues, including the 2002 Quay Creek mine rescue. Mining accidents have also been featured in popular TV shows like ER and Grey's Anatomy. These depictions raise awareness about mining safety and the bravery of miners and rescue teams. Explore the ancient photons that have traveled 13.8 billion years to reach us, carrying secrets of the Big Bang and the universe's earliest moments. The cosmic microwave background, or CMB, is the oldest light in the universe, dating back 13.8 billion years. The CMB is the residual heat from the initial explosion of the Big Bang, now cooled to negative 270.42 degrees Celsius. These ancient photons have traveled over 13.8 billion light-years to reach us, carrying secrets of the universe's earliest moments. The CMB is almost perfectly uniform, with tiny temperature fluctuations that seeded the formation of galaxies. The CMB's black-body spectrum is a signature of the universe's thermal history, revealing its age and composition.